Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We have a little bit of a different scenery today. Gotta love being at your grandma's house. We are starting in a comfortable seated position. As you close your eyes, I want you to just relax and take some deep breaths. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. And now drop your head back. Left ear to left shoulder. And chin to chest. And now left ear to left shoulder. Drop your head back. Right ear to right shoulder, and chin to chest. And now drop your head back, shining the chest forward, maybe arching the back a little bit. And now round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest, maybe straighten those arms. Again, arch your back, look back, open your chest. Round your spine, tuck your chin. And now maybe you start to use the arms with it. So when you arch your back, maybe you open the arms wide. And when you round, you close your hands together. Again, you arch, opening the arms, stretching the chest. And you close, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Lower your hands down as you come into a forward fold, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Slowly make your way back up. Let's straighten our right leg out to the side. Flex your right foot. And then lift up and over with your left arm coming into your side body stretch. Let's come back up, lifting our right arm up and over for a side body stretch to the opposite side. Lower your hand down, bring the soles of your feet together into your butterfly, and you can grab onto your legs or your ankles as you bounce your legs up and down a few times. And when you're ready, you forward fold, and that can look like the elbows on the thighs or the knees, or you can start to reach your arms forward. Make your way back up as you straighten your left leg out to the side, lifting your right arm up for your side body stretch. Remember to flex that left foot. And now side body stretch to the other side. Lift your left arm up and over. Lower your hand And now let's turn so we can straighten both of our legs out in front of us, maybe shaking the legs out a little bit if you need to. And you're going to open the legs a little bit as you reach for your left foot with your right hand. And you have the option to reach that left hand behind you. So we are just getting a good stretch in the left glute, in the left hamstring, the calf. Make your way back up and now reach for your right foot with your left hand, reaching your right arm behind you. Rise back up as you reach both arms all the way up and forward fold. Reaching for the toes or the legs, relax your upper body. Make your way onto your back, hugging your right knee in towards your chest or your right shoulder. Supine twist, guide your right knee across your body as you open your right arm out to the side. Come back to center and then lower your right leg down as you hug your left knee into the chest or the left shoulder. And supine twist. Come back through center as you relax your left leg down, making your way into your final resting pose, Shavasana. So I want you to open your legs a little bit, relax the legs and the arms, and just begin to take some deep breaths as we head towards the meditation portion of our session. As you lie here, you start to relax all of your muscles, letting go of any tension that you may have been feeling. And you bring to mind an intention. Maybe it's a word or a phrase that resonates with you. If no intention comes to mind, I offer you the phrase, I am rested. I am rested. I am rested. Silently repeat your intention 3 times to yourself. And now allow the intention to settle over your body, knowing that it is done. There is nothing for you to think about any longer. There is no place for you to be, no responsibilities hanging over your head. The only thing that matters right now is you, allowing your body to rest. Let's take a full body scan. So I'm just going to name a body part, and you just bring awareness to that body part, releasing any tension that you might feel there. No effort required. Let's start with the crown of your head. Your forehead. Your eyebrows. Your cheeks. Your mouth. Your jaw. Your right shoulder. Your right arm. Your right hand. The fingers on your right hand. Back up to the right arm and the right shoulder. The center of your chest. Your left shoulder. Your left arm. Your left hand. The fingers on your left hand. Back up to your left arm and your left shoulder. The center of your chest. Your belly button. Your hips. Your right leg. Your right foot. Your right toes. Back up to your right leg and your hips. And now your left leg, your left foot, your left toes. We have completed our full body scan. So your body is completely softened and relaxed and free of any tension. At this point, if sleep comes, let it. Allow your body to rest as you take the next couple minutes to focus on your deep breathing. I'll let you know when it's time to go. Begin to come back into your body by wiggling your fingers and your toes. And let's take a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.